Ever wondered how to clear those old profiles off your PlayStation 5 to keep things tidy and private? Alright, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're on your PlayStation 5's home screen. That's the place filled with your games and apps. From there, grab your controller and navigate to the settings icon, which looks like a gear. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Highlight it and press the X button on your controller to open the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see users and accounts. Select this option by pressing X. This is where all your user-related settings are located. Inside users and accounts, you'll see a menu with options. Choose users. That's where we'll manage the profiles on your console. Select it to proceed. You should now see a list of all the users currently logged into your PS5. Carefully select the user account you want to delete with your controller. Next, hover over the user's name. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 dots next to the user's name. Press the X button to find and select remove. A confirmation screen will appear, double-checking if you really want to delete the user. Pay close attention here because this action is permanent. Make sure you're deleting the right account. Select remove to confirm. And there you have it. The user is now removed from your PS5. You have successfully deleted the account. Remember to manage your account access and protect your privacy.